Hi, I'm Mauro Oliveira, the Operations Manager here at Primo Kava. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to use our oil-based tincture and our water miscible, which means soluble, beverage enhancer. Both are all natural, vegan-friendly, non-alcoholic, and non-chemical and solvent-free. The tincture simply goes under the tongue. Take one full dropper, shake well by the way. Take one full dropper, place under the tongue, and hold for 30 seconds to a minute, then swallow. In 20-30 minutes, you can adjust as needed. Now this is perfect for nighttime when you don't want to add a liquid to your experience. The water enhancer is for on-the-go enjoyment with you and your friends. Say you're out with some iced tea and nobody wanted to drink alcohol, just simply place in the liquid. This is for any non-alcoholic, non-caffeinated beverage of your choice. Your water bottle, juice, milk, or a non-caffeinated soda, for instance. Just take one full dropper. They have safety seals, inner and outer. Put it into the drink, stir, give it a couple seconds, and it's ready to go. I also want to introduce you to our Kava gummies with 25 milligrams of Kava-Lactones. You'll feel this within seconds of taking it. Remember that our products are for adults. Don't drive or use heavy machinery when you're enjoying the Kava experience. Read our label to fully understand and absolutely use responsibly. So I hope that you enjoy my little demonstration on how to use our tincture and beverage enhancer. Thank you.
Try our Primo Kava.